Get excited about the 2011 Honda Pilot. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.